Hello, Noble Knitter. It's Nancy Queen, and I get a lot of questions on how to knit through the back loop if you're knitting Continental style. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. Okay, so to knit Continental through the back loop, we're just going to be knitting. So with my left hand, I have the yarn woven through and I'm controlling the yarn with my left hand. And then I'm using my right hand to insert the needle into the stitch. So I'm going to work some normal stitches here. So I go into the stitch and scoop it up. But now, if I want to knit through the back loop, I'm just going to insert my needle through the back and then scoop it up the same way that I do with regular stitches. So here's my regular stitch, scoop it up, and then through the back loop, I'm going to go in through the back and then scoop it up the same way. And if you can see, I use my thumb here to keep the stitch in place so it doesn't pop off the needle, and that's it. That's all you need to do to knit through the back loop. Now you may be wondering why you would knit through the back loop. Well, sometimes you're knitting along and you'll notice, let's see, you might notice that a stitch is not sitting on the needle properly. You might have wrapped it the wrong way or taken stitches off because you were fixing a mistake and it ends up on the wrong way. So rather than taking it off and turning it like that, that's basically all you're doing with knitting through the back loop, is you're going to take it and knit through the back loop, and that puts it back on the needle properly. However, sometimes the pattern will want you to twist the stitch, so they tell you to knit through the back loop so that it gives it that twist. So that's why, and now you know how to knit through the back loop. I'll see you in the next video.